Well, good morning everybody. It is Blake. Welcome back to another super exciting day. Today is Thursday, March 17th. Oh my gosh, it's St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I am representing my non-Irish heritage. You know how I do. Anyways, look, it's Disneyland Park. Look, it's Disney California Adventure Park. Are they even open yet? Do they open? Yeah, I'm sure they're open, right? Do they open at 9? I don't know. They're open. Anyways, we're not going to the parks right now. We're going for breakfast. Where are we going?
Goofy's Kitchen!
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Have you eaten there before?
No.
Oh my god, peanut butter and jelly pizza. Are you so stoked?
I'm so stoked.
So it's buffet style. You get to choose whatever you want. Literally, I get like 18,000 plates of stuff when I'm there. It's just all delicious food, so I'm so excited for that. It'll be a great time. So we're running a bit behind, obviously, as I usually do. Hopefully they let us in with my reservation time. But we'll see what happens. So follow us along as we walk to the Disneyland Hotel now and go to Goofy's Kitchen for a delicious breakfast. Film me! Hi.
I'm just going to switch this over.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, Goofy!
Come on, we have everyone's attention, please. We have a breakdown here. Happy birthday from PB&J. Happy birthday from
Thank you! Okay, I gotta make a wish. I did it. Thank you so much. So cute. Oh my god, do you guys see this? I got a cupcake and I'm celebrating button with Goofy on it. So, happy birthday everyone.
To everyone.
Minnie's having a serious discussion. What's going on? There's an upstairs. Who knew? Okay, so here's my photo, you guys. If you can see, not 100% sure. Let me shine some light. There's me and Goof, and then some little 5x7s, and then a digital download. Got some more recipes, because you can never have too many. What's this? Photo pass 1 day. Wow, all for $39. That's so neat. Very, very creative, Disney. I'm into that. But yeah, I love my photo with Goofy. It's adorable. Emily was just chilling in the back hiding, so eating some grapes now she is. Do you guys love it? I love it. Yeah, and this is my birthday button and my birthday cupcake. So look at all the little sprinkles that we have there. So cute. And then there's an edible chocolate Mickey. Love that. Chocolate cupcake. I'll look at that. A button. I'll wear that. Emily's grapes. She's not gonna eat that. So cute.
No, not a good idea.
Gorge. Are you guys ready for Chef Goofy and his crew? Pick up your napkins. Blow them over your heads. Woo! Do it up.
Ow, ow!
Like Fantasma.
Woo!
You guys love it? Pick up your napkins at home and twirl them around with us. Yeah, that's great. Hey guys, you tossed those napkins. Oh my god, look at Goofy. He's going full ham. He's, oh my gosh, he's like, what is that, Cabbage Patch or something? Do you love it? So cute. Good job, Dale.
Okay.
Recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make Minnie look sexy perfect. Ready? Super quick brush. There. Beautiful. You look. Oh, on your nose too. So cute.
You look so beautiful.
Now you're even more pixie perfect than you were before. Feel like you can fly. Gorgeous. You want to see yourself? I have a mirror in my pocket. I don't know. You see it? So cute. And there, gorge. Beautiful. And your nose? Yay! We're best friends. Fly away, man. The light's shining on your beautiful highlight. Gorgeous. Love it. Have a good one. Oh my gosh. Oh, you have a billion buttons. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Let's see what else. And then I'm celebrating. Thank you. Of course we are. Then we have Happily Ever After. So cute. Thank you. And then Goofy's Kitchen. Yay. Oh my god, Dale. You're so sweet. One for me, one for you. You can have Goofy's. You're the best. Thank you, bud. Oh my god, I'm excited about my new button collection. Thank you. We had a magical time here celebrating with you today. I really appreciate all the love and care that you've given us here while at Goofy's Kitchen. So, big thank you to you and your friends. Awesome. Thanks so much, Dale. We love you. Bye. Saying goodbye to all the magical food here at Goofy's Kitchen. The salads and stuff, and bye to Goofy. Bye, Goofy. Have a good day. Do you want an apple? Do you want a Danish? The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day. Right?
Right.
Yeah. Look, there's Mickey's sorcerer hat during the day, having a seizure again. Gorge.
Underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run.
Disneyland on a one-way trip to the Tomorrowland monorail station. Next and final destination for your enjoyment. Magic Kingdom will be open until 11 o'clock tonight.
Home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters.
Why have we stopped? So we're now here in Disneyland. Obviously, we're in Fantasyland here at the Royal Hall. Royal Hall. To meet some princesses. There's Ariel, who's magically migrated back to the Royal Hall, surprisingly. This is her meeting spot again, I guess. So excited to see Ariel and Snow White and a royal friend. Oh, that's what it is. So can't wait to go in there and see. I have a special gift for Snow White, so hopefully she accepts it from us. We'll see what happens. But are you stoked?
My answer always.
Yeah, me too. Stoked. Honestly, I don't need one.
Okay.
She'll just take a bunch of photos in there. Oh my gosh, it's the beautiful Princess Aurora. How are you, girl?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking.
Good, good. What's anything happening exciting here today?
No, but I have seen a lot of friends wearing green today.
Oh, really?
So I see nothing but Aunt Fauna doing green.
Exactly, Aunt Fauna or maybe some leprechauns around. Do you know, have you heard of St. Patrick's Day before at the castle in the kingdom? You don't have that? Everybody wears green. Little leopard, do you know what leprechauns are? You know what those things are? They're kind of like Snow White's dwarf friends, but even smaller.
Even smaller.
They're like Irish, have little accents, green beard, or orange beards, not green beards. That'd be scary. But they always wear green, giving gold to everyone, you know. If you ever see a rainbow, it could either be like iridescent, your most friend iridescent putting that rainbow out there, or a leprechaun giving it the pot of gold.
I love about this holiday.
I know, right?
I think my Aunt Fauna would especially like it too. So
I think she should make your dress green.
Don't you
Make it,
think?
you know how they like make it blue, make it pink, make it green for her.
We have a little
She
bit of
never had it.
compromise. You know
Oh,
about that?
no.
I wear the pink dress because
Okay.
for the 60th we have blue decorations everywhere.
Okay.
So we wouldn't want you in Florida to feel left out, right?
No, exactly.
But I like this holiday. It's perfect.
Oh my gosh,
for
I
Aunt
live
Fauna.
for this.
Now she doesn't feel left out.
Exactly.
And I see it's your birthday today.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, girl.
Now you can make a birthday wish.
I did, yes. We ate at Goofy's Kitchen this morning. They gave me a special like birthday cupcake, a special like candle and stuff. I blew it out. My wish was to see you. That came true.
Oh,
So
thank you.
birthday wishes came true.
And you make sure that they use the magic when making the birthday.
Exactly, yeah.
And it would be a little bit crunchy with the eggshells.
Right? Yeah,
They
no
have to
kidding.
use the magic, don't they?
Oh, yes.
And I see the pixie dust.
You love
Berries,
it?
too.
Yeah, I saw the berries. So,
Good.
yeah.
Now, did you fly over here?
Yes, we
How
flew.
happened?
Yeah.
What was your happy thought?
Meeting you. I was like, my happy thought is hoping to see Aurora.
Oh,
So
thank you. I think you're very
worries.
excited to see Ariel today, too. I'm very happy she's in the hall, too.
She is? Okay, good. I'm happy for that. So, I mean, good that you're here too. So, I'll
Thank you. Oh,
Do you love to sign, please?
did you have the pen?
I do have the pen.
That was very nice of you.
The pen. No worries, girl. I love it.
What are you going to do after this? Did you want tonight?
Guess who I saw there? I saw Flynn Rider and I screamed. I was like, ah, Flynn's back. So, gotta go see him. He is so sweet. The sweetest.
Is he your favorite prince?
Yeah. Okay, next up here in the Royal Hall, we have one of my faves, the OG princess, Snow White. Snow, I have a present for you.
Oh, really?
Do you wanna see? Okay. We gotta reach in here. Close your eyes. Okay. Hold your hands out, but keep your eyes closed. Open. Do you love it? It's not poison, don't worry.
Oh, are you sure?
I'm sure, 100%.
Who gave it to you?
Goofy this morning at Goofy's Kitchen.
Oh, okay, well then I'll take it.
He told me, he's like, give this to Snow, and I was like, okay, sure, so.
This is perfect.
It's from Goofy.
This is not a dwarf-sized apple.
No, it's huge, right? I saw it and I was like,
Large.
wonder what nutrients are in those apples, so. Yeah.
Aw, I'll take it then.
Cool.
It's perfect.
Good to see you.
Perfect.
Exactly.
Yay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so how have you been here? You been good?
Oh, I've been so great
Nice.
here. It's a little bit hot outside, so I'm happy.
It is. As soon as we got here to the park, we were like, let's go stand in the shade. The line here was a little bit empty, so we were like, let's come see some princesses, enjoy the cool.
Very
You know.
good. You've been here for a while too.
We have
huh?
from the 9th to the 20th, so 11 days. So.
Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's great. It's been so much fun. So I'm having a great time. What about you? Are you having fun every day?
Always lots of fun.
Cute. Good to hear. Let's take some photos then. Okay, so next up here in the Royal Hall, we have my favorite princess of them all, the one, the only, Princess Ariel.
Hi, dear friends.
How are you, girl?
I'm so wonderful.
Good.
I've been practicing my human legs all morning.
You have?
Yes,
Well, it
I
looks
see.
like you're doing well.
Thank you.
You're
Even have
welcome.
my sparkly shoes
Oh,
on
so
today.
cute. Living for the sparkles.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Yes. Now, how has your day been so far?
It's been good. We ate at Goofy's Kitchen this morning, so
I'm sure there
had
were
some
lots
breakfast
of friends there.
There was tons of friends. We
Yes.
met Minnie, Chip and Dale, Goofy, Pluto.
That's always so fun.
It was so much fun there,
Yes.
so.
Now, where are you heading next?
I don't know, what should we do? I saw Flynn Rider out there and I was like,
Yes, that's
I
right.
was screaming,
Flynn and
so.
Rapunzel. Belle might be telling stories later as well, so that'll be lots of fun. Belle's one of my very good friends.
Is she?
Yes, she has the biggest book collection I've ever seen. I know. Well, I
Never
collect
been to
all
a
sorts
library,
of
so-
human
you do?
things. Mhm.
Books?
Yes,
Do you
the
collect
Beast
books?
Library. I don't have very many books. I really love dingle hoppers.
Okay.
Mhm.
We had some at our table this morning. It was the
You
weirdest
did?
thing.
Oh, I know. Chef
like-
Louie always puts them in the kitchen
Really?
too. But I have a secret stash in my room.
Oh.
I know.
All like the expensive ones, right?
Yes, I have a big one about this big, and that's my favorite one.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
At your ride down there in California that way,
Yes.
I got a big dingle hopper, like hairbrush.
Oh,
so.
that's perfect.
It was really nice.
Yes.
Gold plated, truly.
Yes, it's the best,
kind,
isn't
so
it?
it was so good.
Yay.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What have you been up to? Anything exciting?
Oh, there it
Let's
is.
see. Well, Prince Eric went sailing on his ship today.
Really?
Yes, he should be back a little later.
Yeah.
I think that would be lots of fun.
Enjoying the breeze
So
from
I'd
the
like
ocean.
to go on it as well, so hopefully I'll get to do that next time too.
Yeah, that's exciting.
I
So good to see you, Ariel, my favorite. Yes. Look who it is. It's Mary Poppins and Bert. Hi, thanks. Love to see you. How are you?
Happy birthday!
Thanks. I screamed as soon as I saw you out. I was like, ah! Are you able to sign super quick? Is it possible?
I could do while we're walking.
Thanks.
I like your hat.
You're gonna be here later on today?
I am. I'm gonna be here all day. Why?
Perfect. Well, you have to come see one of our shows.
I know. I was so excited when I saw that it was back. I was like,
I like
get rid of the Frozen, in with the Tangled, in with the Beauty and the Beast again. So.
Exactly.
Is it the blue one's broken? By the way? Is it blue or green? No, green's broken too. They're all just broken.
It worked out alright. Not my
Yay.
best.
Okay, so we were just over there sitting by the Royal Hall. Emily was just chilling somewhere else. I was sitting on the bench, and all of a sudden this man walks past me, and he's like, "Man, I have something to tell you." He's like, "I just had to stop and come back and tell you. I'm Christian. The Lord has given me something to tell you." He's like, "The Lord has given me this word, purpose." He's like, "I don't know what you do with your life or what you do, but the Lord has told me to tell you, sorry, that you have purpose in your life." And I was like, "Oh my goodness, so sweet." So he like asked, like, "What do you do?" And I was like, "Well, I make videos on YouTube." He's like, "See, I knew it." He's like, "The Lord has given you that purpose." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, the most sweet thing ever." So his name was Chris, his son's name is Elijah. Happy early birthday. And he prayed for us. It was the most amazing thing ever. We all prayed together and stuff. It was so sweet. So, love meeting him. And then something else really ironic and random. My old PE teacher came up to me, literally out of like the most random thing. All the billions of people here at Disneyland. My old PE teacher from back home in like Canada, back home in Vancouver, Canada. My PE teacher comes up to me with his kids and his family. And he's like, "Hey Blake," and I was like, "What?" Like 6 years ago I graduated. So yeah, it was the coolest thing ever though to see him and the family and to meet Chris and his son. So 2 magical experiences, both wrapped up in one. It was amazing. Did you love it?
It was so cute.
It was the cutest thing ever, so I loved it. Thank you so much, everyone. Next up here, the gorgeous, the Queen. How are you?
I rather enjoy this. It's like
You
looking
do?
in a mirror.
It's like your reflection, right?
As always, and you know I keep getting more and more gorgeous
Every
each time
time,
you meet me.
every time I meet you.
Is
really.
that a present for
It's a
me?
present!
Are you sure you don't want to, you know, share with some of your followers out there?
Maybe, I don't know, do you guys want some? Just say hi. I gave Snow White one earlier too, so.
Oh, wonderful. So she's enjoying the much needed beauty
She
sleep.
needs a nap. Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Well, everyone
Cute.
needs their beauty rest. Some, Snow, need it more than others.
The shade, I love it. Speaking of shade, we're here kind of in the shade, which is
Exactly,
nice. so.
just a little bit.
A little
Keep
bit.
our fair complexion
Exactly.
fair.
It's hard being so fair. Fairest of them all. Truly, us right here.
Right there.
How are you doing though?
Absolutely beautiful and flawless as ever. Why do you think, look, there's so many people here decked out just to come see me.
I know.
Can't say I blame
I'd
them.
be afraid though. Like, do they know what they're getting themselves into? Are you gonna be nice to
I
them?
don't think anyone ever knows what they're getting themselves into with me.
I don't know. You never know. It's okay. Well, it's good to see you. I love it. So.
Wonderful seeing you as always.
Yeah, I have an autograph cookie for the sign.
Of course.
I can hold the apple again if you want. So, switch off.
Yes. Starting to be a court jester, juggling so very well.
I know, right? Where's Clopin? I don't even need him.
There we go. Probably running around after that Esmeralda, I suppose.
Oh, I can imagine.
Who keeps a goat as friends?
No one, right? No true person should keep a goat as a friend. But.
Exactly.
Look, Emily, we're still in the shade. Aren't you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Emily's dying today, so she's wearing black. I don't know. 30-degree heat, who chooses to wear black? But anyways, we're just sitting down there in the shade over there, and all of a sudden, the Mad Hatter and Alice walk up to us and say, oh, it's our friend from yesterday. So, yes, they're there again. Let's see them. And now there's no line since we're like the first ones here, so I love that. Yay.
It says birthday.
It's not today.
It's not today. We're celebrating early, so I'm not going to be here next month.
Oh,
So, we're celebrating early.
happy unbirthday.
And as an unbirthday present to you, Alice has started growing leaves out of her head.
Oh, she has.
Oh my, she's so talented, isn't she?
She is. Look at that. Growing like a little
Sprouting up all over the place. So good. Wait, no.
in the ear.
Goodness.
Oh, jeez.
Now,
Causing trouble.
What all have you done today?
We went to Goofy's Kitchen for breakfast. Ate there. Delicious.
Did you have the peanut butter and jelly?
We did. My favorite thing. The best. Truly. So.
Macaroni cheese pizza.
They do. I didn't have that, but that's really strange. It wasn't about that.
Alice used to cut the cheese for that pizza. You think that she's since been replaced in that position.
You also used to have dirty birds.
Oh, mother.
Worms in dirt.
Not
Dirty birds. Worms and dirt.
Worms in dirt.
You say potato, I say be quiet.
Well, love you guys. Are you having a good day though?
Oh, yes, indeed.
Alice, why you look so sad? You're disappointed.
I was not sick. Goodness, have some tea.
Yeah.
There we are.
Oh, thank you, sir. What'd you do? Throw it on yourself?
I threw it behind me.
Oh, I thought you threw it on
I
yourself.
couldn't throw it this way.
Throwing it at Mad Hatter?
I don't want to throw it at me.
You're gonna burn him.
That would be very rude.
Not cute. So, oh, well. Emily and I are back in Fantasy Fair now, going into the Royal Theater to watch the Tangled show. Fine. Emily's gonna sit in the back. We'll enjoy the show together from separate rooms.
Please welcome Mr. Smythe and Mr. Jones. Hello! Hello there! Well, huzzah! Well done.
What?
My real name is Eugene Fitzherbert. Someone might as well know.
Well, I have magic hair that glows when I sing.
What?
I have magic hair that glows when I sing.
Happily ever after at the end. What's next, Mr.
So after watching that amazing show, I get to see these two finally.
Hi there.
Forever. How are you?
Good,
We're
thank
great.
you. How are you?
And yourself?
I'm so good.
It's your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
Thank you so much. Best birthday ever now that I can see you.
Oh, thanks.
What have you done?
Are you gonna release any lanterns tonight?
I want to. I don't know where to find any though. So.
Well, I think we might have some extra that they're gonna release during the fireworks tonight, so keep an eye out.
Just watch.
Contact someone.
Yeah.
See what I can do.
Very close.
Look closely. I'll do it.
It's that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's mine right there.
I'll put a big B on it for Blake.
There you
Thank
go.
you. Yeah. I have an autograph book if you would love to sign it, please.
sure.
Got yours
I got it
earlier, but-
earlier.
Yo, Max gets very upset if he doesn't get his lunch on time.
Oh, really?
I know, that's right.
Well, because we've you know, kind of not allowed him to eat apples whenever.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah, we put them on like more of a regimen.
that? Thank you.
Yeah.
That thing. I was
gonna say diet, but I don't think that was.
You know what? I'm keeping a lot of gifts stored in here right now.
Oh, really?
Mr. Jones still has the crown, but we got these
crown in there.
incredible.
What the heck?
Lots of trophies.
This one is for the
Ladies.
ladies in waiting.
That's so cute.
Maidens.
Oh, we did. We
But one of our wonderful, wonderful friends made all of these trips.
That's so
for us.
sweet. Well, that's so
So that's
sweet
what
of
my
them.
satchel's full of
Nice.
today.
Well, keep
A
it
different
safe.
kind of gold.
Exactly, right?
And marshmallow.
And some marshmallow
Someone gave
treats,
us
too.
marshmallow.
That's so cute. I
Yeah,
love
I
marshmallows
can't wait
too.
to eat
Everyone just keeps giving
With
us
chocolate.
gifts today.
That's how these ones are. But it's like pink chocolate.
Oh, nice. That'd be yummy then. Save those for later. Give some to Pascal,
Smells
right?
pretty good. He's getting none of this.
He doesn't
isn't-
do well with sugar.
No.
He gets really, really hyper.
I'm sure he's hiding around somewhere looking, just waiting to pounce in there, so. So it's the last time I'm gonna see my very special friend, Princess Tiana. Oh, it's lovely to see you.
It's always nice to see you, huh?
Thanks,
You're like
so.
my favorite.
Am I?
Yes, you
Well, you're
are,
my favorite,
honey. You still gotta do my makeup.
I'd love to. One day I'll have to come over to the bayou, you
You
know.
make me beautiful.
You make me beignets, all your makeup, straight up?
Yeah, that sounds like a good trade.
I'm excited. Well, lovely. Look, those boy ducks are being so mean to the girl duck. Aw, she's just trying to fly away and they're like attacking her. Spooky.